Yes, hello friends, Harya. Today's our point is chemical properties of non-cyclic alkane, otherwise you can say chemical reactions of alkane. First member of alkane series is methane. Alkane gives four types of chemical reaction. First one, reaction with vapor. H2O gas, H2O solid is the ice, H2O liquid is the water, and H2O gas is the vapor. Second one is oxidation. Third one is cyclization. Fourth one is halogenation. Halogen means it is symbolized by X. Halogen के तौर पे फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन और आयोडीन any one of them ले सकते हैं. Okay. Means alkane gives four types of reaction. VOCH, watch. Vapor के साथ. In presence of nickel catalyst, when methane is heated with water vapor at high temperature, at that time mixture of carbon monoxide and 3 mole hydrogen gas will evolve. And this mixture is known as a water gas. In industries, this reaction is useful to prepare water gas. Okay. Second reaction is oxidation, reaction with oxygen, otherwise addition of oxygen is known as a oxidation. CH4 on reheating with oxygen. Yes, this oxygen will react with carbon and gives carbon dioxide. And oxygen will also react with hydrogen and will gives H2O, water molecule. CO2 plus H2O, balance connect twice H2O is twice O2. Okay. Then cyclization. Cyclization, you can say it is also known as a aromatization, because during this reaction aromatic compounds are formed. Okay. तो इसको साइक्लाइजेशन बोलो, एरोमेटाइजेशन बोलो, सब कुछ सेम है. And cyclization reaction always given by the alkane compound having more or equal to 6 carbon atoms. Suppose alkane having 6 carbon, CH3 single bond CH2 4 times CH3. This is normal hexane. Yes. In pressure, yes, CH3 single bond CH2 5 times CH3. This is heptane. CH3 single bond CH2 6 times CH3. This is octane, normal octane. Now, this non-cyclic alkane, when heated at 500 centigrade temperature and 10 to 20 bar pressure in presence of catalysts like vanadium pentoxide, yes, chromium trioxide, otherwise sometimes molybdenum trioxide, this type of catalyst can be used. During this reaction, 4 hydrogen molecules are removed as a byproduct. During this reaction, hydrogen molecules are removed. That's why this reaction is also known as a dehydrogenation of non-cyclic alkane compound. अच्छा, in case of normal hexane, yes, CH3 single bond CH2, 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 CH2 और CH3. ये टर्मिनल CH3 के दोनों हाइड्रोजन जुड़ जाएंगे, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा. ये कार्बन और ये कार्बन के दोनों हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होगा, हाइड्रोजन. यस, ये हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होगा. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Finally, 4 molecules of hydrogen are removed during this reaction and gives aromatic compound as a benzene. Okay, Arya. Suppose we are taking normal heptane. Heptane means alkane having 7 carbon atoms. तो इसको लिखे CH3 single bond CH2, 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 single bond CH3. यस, ये टर्मिनल मिथाइल ग्रुप का हाइड्रोजन और सेकंड CH2 का हाइड्रोजन, ये हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होगा, साइक्लिक कंपाउंड विल फॉर्म. यस, ये दो हाइड्रोजन जुड़कर हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होगा. 1, 2, 3 and 4. During this reaction, yes, 4 molecules of hydrogen are removed during this reaction, and finally aromatic compound toluene is formed. Okay. Next one is normal octane. Octane means alkane having 8 carbon atoms. Okay. So during this reaction also 4 molecules of hydrogen will form, and it will gives, yes, 3 isomers of xylene. When 2 methyl groups are present on benzene ring, this product is known as a xylene. If both methyl groups are present on neighboring carbon, this position is known as ortho. तो इनको orthoxylene कहा जाएगा. If both methyl groups are arranged after lacking of one position, this position is known as a meta position. That's why it is known as a metaxylene. And यदि if both methyl groups are एकदम सामने हैं, तो उसको पैराxylene बोला जाता है. These all are the aromatic compounds. Halogenation. Halogen means fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Yes, introduction of halogen atom to alkane compound is known as a halogenation. Yes, methane का fluorination करेंगे. Fluorination means C, H, H, H और H. फ्लोरीन के साथ रिएक्शन होगी, F सिंगल बॉन्ड F. फाइनली रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर of halogen compound fluorine is greater than chlorine, is greater than bromine, is greater than iodine. That's why fluorine is maximum reactive. That's why during the fluorination, presence of catalyst is not required. It will give methyl fluoride and hydrofluoric acid. During this reaction, one hydrogen of methane will be replaced by fluorine and gives methyl fluoride. Suppose chlorination, this reaction in methane, all the 4 hydrogen atoms are attached with carbon. That means carbon is surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. तो कार्बन की टेट्रावेलेंसी प्रॉपर्टी ऑलरेडी सेटिस्फाई है. तो कार्बन, यस, मीथेन इज नॉट रेडी टू डू द रिएक्शन विद रिएजेंट. एक पॉसिबिलिटी है, उसमें से 1 हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, रिमूव हो जाएगा, वहां वैकेंसी क्रिएट होगी, वहां रिएजेंट का कोई ग्रुप एंटर हो सकता है. That's why this reaction always carried out in presence of UV light. UV light नहीं लिखोगे, रिएक्शन रॉन्ग जाएगी. ये मीथेन है. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्लोरीन के साथ रिएक्शन होगी, HCl will remove as a byproduct CH3Cl और byproduct HCl मिलेगी. Further reaction of second molecule of chlorine, second molecule will replace one second hydrogen and give CH2Cl2. Its name is dichloromethane. Next step of chlorination in presence of UV light. Yes, third molecule of chlorine will replace third hydrogen and it will give trichloromethane. Its commercial name is chloroform. In hospital में ये use होता है. Then further reaction of chlorination, it will gives, yes, replace 4th hydrogen and CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, tetrachloromethane. Yes, ये लॉन्ड्री वर्क वाले यूज करते हैं. शर्ट ये पे कुछ ऑयली स्पॉट लग गए हो तो उसको रिमूव करने के लिए वो पानी से नहीं जाता है, ये क्लोरोफॉर्म से चले जाते हैं. सिमिलरली अब देखो मीथेन में 4 कार्बन है, दैट्स वाई क्लोरीनेशन विल कंप्लीटेड इन 4 स्टेप. 1 by 1 hydrogen of methane will be replaced by chlorine, and during each step, yes, HCl is to be removed as a byproduct. Similarly, bromination भी ऐसा ही रिएक्शन है. Yes, reaction with iodine always completed only in one step. यहाँ इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश होता है. समझ लो, फ्लोरीन क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन की रिएक्शन मीथेन के साथ करोगे, वहाँ इक्विलिब्रियम कभी एस्टैब्लिश नहीं होता है. ऑलवेज रिएक्शन बिटवीन मीथेन एंड आयोडीन, यस, इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टैब्लिश एंड मिथाइल आयोडाइड एंड हाइड्रोआयोडिक एसिड विल फॉर्म. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे.